Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce for fish. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. For a smoky depth, add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Don't forget your spices. 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, plus 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Once your ingredients are ready, combine everything in a medium saucepan. Whisk until all the dry spices are fully incorporated into the liquids. Place the pan over medium-low heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency and the flavors have beautifully melded. Now it's time to taste and perfect your sauce. Give it a try and adjust the sweetness or tanginess to your liking. A little more brown sugar or vinegar can make a big difference. For a subtle kick, add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Once cooled, transfer your delicious homemade barbecue sauce to an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Your homemade fish barbecue sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for brushing onto grilled salmon, baked cod, or even as a dipping sauce for shrimp. This versatile sauce will elevate any seafood meal. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.